So, been a long drive today. We've come up from the south coast and now we're heading up to the northwest of Iceland, the Snaefellsnes Peninsula. Well, we've been driving on a gravel road for an hour and a half and we're a bit lost. Google reckons we got to where we should have been a good 10 minutes ago, but we're enjoying the drive. This is our view. So after snowing all night, we've got a lovely fresh coating today, heading off down to the peninsula. It'll be quite a long drive, but it should be looking great, especially if the sun comes out. Well, not half an hour after filming those amazing northern lights, shimmering and flowing all around us. As you can see, suddenly it's snowing again. Don't think we'll be seeing any more northern lights tonight, but I have to say that on our last full night before we head back to Reykjavik, it's been fantastic to actually see them shimmering and dancing around us, and I'm getting covered in snow and this is much fun. So anyway, that's been an amazing end to one of our most amazing days, and